Hey there. Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in Google Slides step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the video. Step 2. Now, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen in the menu bar. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Video. Step 4. In the Insert Video menu, make sure you're on the YouTube tab. Step 5. You have a couple of options here. You can either use the search box to look for a video by entering a keyword, or you can type the name of the video or paste a YouTube video URL directly into the search box. To paste, just click in the box and press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. Step 6. Once you've entered the URL or search for your video, press Enter. Now, just select the video from the search results and click Insert. Step 7. The video will appear on your slide as a thumbnail. You can adjust its position by simply dragging it to where you want it on the slide. You can also resize it by pulling on the corners of the video box. Step 8. Optional. If you want to customize the video playback, use the Format Options panel on the right. You can set start and stop times, mute the audio if you prefer, or set the video to play on click or automatically when you reach that slide. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a video into Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.